Òwe Yorùbá kan sọ wípé à-fì-pinnu-ṣe tí ń ta kókó sẹ́yìn. Literally, someone who is determined and ties a knot at the back. Ṣé ó ní nǹkan tí ìwọ fẹ́ ṣe tí ó jẹ́ pé gbogbo akitiyan ẹ̀ o ti ń fi sínú ẹ̀? Ó kú máa yọrí sí rere o, torí pé ìwọ ti ṣe léè tí ó yẹ kí ṣe. Ọlọ́run ọba á dẹ̀ wá fi àmì sí. Are you determined and mentally prepared? That is what this proverb is telling us. When you are determined, you prepared all round for the success ahead of you. Mentally, emotionally, physically. If it requires academic preparation, put it all into it and you are going to see success in it. So that you're hustling and bustling, you are still going to succeed at it. Forget it. Success is knocking at your door. Just keep on doing what you're doing. Òwe yẹn tún ní pé à-fì-pinnu-ṣe tí ń ta kókó sẹ́yìn.